Wait, stop scrolling for a second. Let me ask you something important. Do you wake up early and feel full of energy? Or do you feel alive when the whole world is asleep? Because today's topic is not just a debate, it's about your lifestyle, your habits, and your future. Welcome back to the English Cafe. I'm Michael, your host, and today we are going deep into a powerful discussion.
And I'm Sophia, and I truly believe that mornings are the key to success. When you wake up early, your mind is fresh, your thoughts are clear, and you feel more in control of your day. Morning time gives you discipline, focus, and a positive start.
That sounds good, Sophia, but let me explain my side too. At night, there is silence, no distractions, no noise, no pressure. That's when I feel most creative. That's when I can think deeply and work peacefully. Sometimes the best ideas don't come in the morning, they come in the quiet of the night.
But Michael, waking up late can make your day unorganized. You may feel lazy. You may miss opportunities. Morning people build strong routines, and strong routines build successful lives.
And night people build deep focus, and deep focus creates powerful results. So the question is not simple. Morning or night, which one is truly better?
And guys, this is not just entertainment. This is an English learning podcast. So don't just watch. Listen carefully, understand the sentences, and most importantly, repeat after us.
Yes, if you really want to improve your English, you must practice speaking. Pause the video, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life.
And one more important thing, don't watch this video casually. Think about this topic deeply. Are you using your time in the right way? Are your habits helping you grow?
Exactly. We want you to learn English and also improve your thinking. Now it's your turn. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Comment your answer and explain why. We read your comments.
And if you really want to speak English confidently,
Subscribe to the English Cafe
press the bell icon.
and stay connected with us.
Watch this video till the end, because this debate might completely change your daily routine.
So focus, listen, and learn.
Let's begin. Morning person versus night person. Okay, Sophia, let's go deeper. Let's talk about real daily life. Suppose a student wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. What will be the real advantages?
The first advantage is time control. The student gets extra hours before school or work. This time can be used for revision or planning.
That's true, but let's be realistic. If the student sleeps late at night, will waking up early still help?
No, it will not help. In that case, the student will feel tired, lose focus, and even feel sleepy in class.
So sleep quality is more important than wake-up time.
Exactly. Without proper sleep, morning routine becomes useless.
Now let's flip the situation. A student studies at night till 1 a.m. What are the advantages?
The main advantage is silence. No disturbance, no family noise, no social pressure.
Yes, complete focus.
Also, many students feel mentally free at night. They don't think about school pressure, so they can study calmly.
But what about the next day?
That is the biggest disadvantage. The student may feel sleepy, low energy, and unable to concentrate in class.
So night study gives focus but damages next day performance.
If not balanced properly, yes.
Let's talk about working professionals. Suppose someone works in an office from 9 a.m.
Morning routine becomes very important for them. They need to wake up early, get ready, and reach on time.
So morning people are more aligned with society.
Yes, most systems like schools, offices, transport all work in the morning.
But night workers, like freelancers or online workers, don't follow this system.
That gives them flexibility, but also creates isolation from normal society timing.
Let's talk about energy levels in detail. When does the human brain actually perform better?
Scientifically, after good sleep, the brain performs better in the morning.
But many people feel a second energy peak at night.
Yes, especially after dinner, some people feel relaxed and active again.
So energy is not fixed.
No, it depends on lifestyle, diet, and sleep cycle.
Let's discuss habits. Morning people usually do what first?
They wake up, freshen up, drink water, exercise, and plan their day.
That sounds structured.
Yes, structure creates discipline.
And night people?
Night people often start their productive work late after finishing daily tasks.
So they are reactive during the day and active at night.
In many cases, yes.
Let's talk about distractions in detail.
Distractions morning are usually low because most people are busy or sleeping.
But at night?
At night, digital distractions increase. Social media, videos, scrolling habits become common.
So night can easily turn into wasted time.
If not controlled, yes.
What about mental health?
Morning routine improves mental stability because sunlight increases positivity.
And night routine?
Night routine can improve emotional thinking. People reflect on their day.
But overthinking also happens at night.
Yes, that is a disadvantage. Overthinking can disturb sleep.
Let's talk about social life. Morning people wake up early and sleep early.
That means less late-night social activity.
But they are more active during daytime society.
Yes, they match the world's schedule.
Night people often miss morning events.
That can create problems in relationships, meetings, and daily commitments.
Now let's talk about success habits. What do successful morning people usually do?
They start early, plan their day, and complete important tasks first.
And night successful people?
They often work deeply for long hours in silence and build creative work.
So success is possible in both lifestyles.
Yes, but only with discipline.
Let's be honest. What is the biggest mistake people make?
They copy others without understanding themselves.
Exactly. Someone sees a morning routine video and tries it without checking their own body clock.
Or someone watches night productivity content and starts sleeping late without planning.
That leads to imbalance.
And imbalance destroys productivity.
So, final deep question, Sophia. Is there a perfect routine?
No perfect routine exists.
Then what exists?
A personal routine that fits your body, mind, and goals.
So, self-awareness is the key.
Absolutely. Understand yourself first.
Then design your time around yourself.
Not around trends,
Not around opinions.
but around reality.
So, finally, after this whole discussion, one thing is very clear.
Morning or night, nothing is completely better or completely worse.
It all depends on how you understand yourself and how you use your time.
Some people grow in the morning and some people grow at night.
But growth only happens when you stay consistent and disciplined.
If you are waking up early, make sure you use your mornings properly.
And if you are active at night, make sure you don't waste that time.
Because time is the most powerful resource in your life.
And once it is gone, you can never bring it back.
So choose your routine wisely, but more importantly, live it wisely.
Don't compare yourself with others.
Understand your own energy, your own focus, and your own lifestyle.
And build habits that help you improve every single day.
That is real success.
If you learned something from this debate, don't just watch it.
Practice the sentences, repeat them, and use them in your daily English.
And now we want to hear from you.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Tell us in the comments and explain why.
We read every comment.
And keep improving your English with us.
Stay consistent.
Stay focused.
And keep learning.
This is the English Cafe.
See you in the next video.